Okay guys, we're still in Pokhara and I found this lovely little Tibetan restaurant here. Hello, how are you? Good? It's open, right, the restaurant? Yeah, okay. And we're gonna try some momos. Hello. Oh, it's quite busy here. You have like it looks pretty cool. But we're gonna try, it's world famous of course. It's Tibetan, but they sell it everywhere in Nepal. The Momo, this is a buff one, but we're gonna go for the veg. Okay. Namaste. Hello. Oh, this is the kitchen. I'm from Netherlands. Are you? Pokhara. Nice, nice. Is this a good restaurant? It's really good. I found it online. It says it's really good.
One of the best.
The best? Yeah, I saw it. Yeah. Sorry? Yeah, the best. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna try it. Yeah. Okay. Namaste. Hello.
Namaste.
Hello. How are you?
Hi.
This is your restaurant?
Yeah.
Wow. Can I order the veg momo?
Yeah.
Yeah? And what else can you recommend? I saw this Laphing.
Laphing, yeah.
Laphing. Is that also vegetarian?
Yeah.
Can I also have a portion of that?
Yeah.
Can I also have one of that? Yeah? Okay. Hello, namaste. Oh, and this is... Oh, this is soup.
Yeah, it's mixed tuppa.
Mixed tuppa, okay. Oh, okay. You're making the veg momos now. Ah. So everything is fresh?
Yeah.
Everything is fresh.
Of course, wow. So there's lettuce, onion, also garlic?
No garlic.
No garlic? Oh, no.
Alu sir, misal sundali. Alu sir. Alu.
How long do you guys have the restaurant? Already for a long time, or?
Maybe
More than 10 years.
More than 10 years? Yeah.
yeah, I guess more than
Yeah. Looks really cool. Alo. Oh, also alo in the momo. Yeah. Ah, okay. Oh, you can just feel it like that.
My nails.
Did you boil? Oh, you boiled boiled.
Sorry?
It was boiled first.
Yeah, it's boiled.
Ah, okay. So this goes all in the momo. The lettuce, onion, potato, and some of the
Yeah, some spring onions.
spring onions. Yeah. Wow. And then some salt. It's the oil. And then you have the mix.
Yeah, some, yeah.
And then it's already little balls
Yeah.
to make the momo, the dumpling. Bit of flour.
It's about too much stuff.
And then the filling, and then like this. It looks very simple, but it's more difficult than it is, I think.
Yeah, you need to practice.
Then you get the nice shape, yeah. Wow, yeah. This looks like how I buy them in the supermarket back home.
Frozen one?
Yeah. Beautiful. And the Laphing. Of Laphing, sorry. Which one do you recommend? Plain soup. What is chow chow?
Chow chow is a raw noodle.
Is that?
A raw noodle.
A raw noodle.
Yeah.
Which one do you recommend? I don't want the
Try the plain Laphing.
The plain?
Just plain.
Okay,
Do you
okay.
want it spicy?
Just a little bit maybe, a little bit, but not too spicy. I will try it a little bit. Okay guys, yeah, this place is really cool. Check it here. I don't know what this is, but you can have a complimentary water, right? Yeah, very nice. And then you have these booths basically. I don't know if these booths are pretty cool because you can just have a dinner with two and nobody can see you. You see? And then here as well. And then here, I don't know if this is the same place or a different one. No, this is a different restaurant. Namaste. Hello. How are you? Good? Good. I think she's camera shy. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then this is the, yeah, Laphing. I'm gonna try that. That's a typical Tibetan food. Okay, let's take a seat. Oh, you work here?
No.
Family?
They're my friends.
Friends?
Yeah.
So you're always here?
Not always here. I just came here to have my lunch.
Eating free food?
Nah, you have to pay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice place. Really cool. So this is the Laphing. Looks very interesting. How do I need to eat it? With the sticks or with the fork? I think I'm gonna try it with the fork first. Wow, it's like a roll. It's like a roll. It's like a noodle roll.
Yeah, so it's made out of flour.
Flour, okay.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Mm. Yeah, it's delicious. It's cold, but it's delicious. It's a cold noodle. It's a bit spicy. There's a bit of spices in there. It's good. Exactly the right amount, otherwise it's too spicy for me.
Some people prefer it to be spicier, so they ask them to put more chilies in it.
Yeah, but this is for me this is good. For the white man is good. I only eat potatoes in Holland. We only eat potatoes. Mm. Yeah, it's really tasty. It's really nice. I'm gonna eat it all very quickly. Mm. Yeah. Nice. Really good. I think there's a little bit of chicken in there, but is there a little bit of chicken in there?
No,
No?
it's not chicken.
What is this?
That's something comes out of.
Okay, it's delicious. It's delicious.
It's not meat.
It looks a little bit like a chicken, but it's good. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna wait for the momos and I'll see you back. Okay, so that one is finished. Now we're gonna continue with this one. The momos, steamed. Obviously you can steam the momos or you can fry them. I like them more steamed. And there's a little bit of sauce in there. What is the name of the sauce?
Chutney.
Chutney, just chutney. Okay. It's very delicious. It's a little bit spicy, but it's good. It's really good.
Tomato.
Yeah, the tomato chutney.
Tomato, garlic and chili.
Yeah, yeah. It's really delicious. It's really delicious. If you come to Nepal, you will get this at a lot of restaurants. Insane nice. Okay, let's try the momo. I'm not sure if it's still really hot. Look how good they look. Wow, they look amazing, to be honest. Freshly made. Some of the chutney. Mm. It's a little bit hot, but you taste it. They're really, really fresh. They're really nice. They taste amazing. As you can see, it's just you know, the small pancake, and then the filling with the veg. Of course, you can also have it with chicken, with buff, which is buffalo, and other kinds of meat. But the veg is just incredible. Some more. Let's take another one. Mm. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and I'll see you in a couple of seconds. Okay guys, it's finished. I actually took another Laphing. So I have 2 Laphings and 1 momos. Let's pay and let's continue. Hello, namaste. Can I pay?
Yeah.
Yeah? I hoped you would say no, but yeah.
Foodie, Laphing입니다. 270.
I never heard, if I asked like, can I pay? Nobody ever told me no, it's okay. Here you go. That would be nice, right? If you go somewhere and then you eat and everything. Okay, thank you. Okay, here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
The food was really delicious and thank you. See you later. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hello. Okay guys, that was the Tibetan food here in Nepal. Obviously a lot of people or relatives of Tibetan people live here in Nepal now. So you have a lot of places here in the street. It's a little bit outside the lakeside area. Namaste. But you have them everywhere here. Oh, there's a school bus coming. Hello, hello. There's another school bus. Let's wave to them as well. Oh, okay. I think the school is here, actually. Okay, well this is the place. Pokhara Tibetan restaurant, Devil's Falls. I will put the link in the description. So if you're here, you can go there. You can come here and enjoy this lovely food. Okay, this is the end of the video. Hello, hello. You're good? How are you? What is your name?
My name is
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Are you going to school? Yeah? Okay, okay. Good luck. Good luck. Hello, namaste, hello. Anyways, this is the end of the video. See you in the next one here from Nepal. Bye bye.